I've been using the Crypto.com Visa card for a while now, and if you're into crypto, you've probably heard the hype. A metal card, cashback in CRO, airport lounge access, and a sleek design. But is it still worth it in 2025, especially after all the changes and reduced rewards? Here's my honest take: what still works, what doesn't, and whether it's worth getting. The card is a prepaid Visa debit that works anywhere Visa is accepted. You earn cashback in CRO, Crypto.com's native token, and unlock perks based on how much CRO you stake. Card tiers range from the free Midnight Blue to the top tier Obsidian, which requires staking over 400,000 CRO. What's still good? Crypto rewards on everyday spending, up to 5% CRO depending on your tier, Spotify and Netflix reimbursements on mid-tier cards with an active CRO stake, airport lounge access starting from the Royal Indigo and Jade Green tiers, no annual fees, premium metal card design, smooth app experience with instant top-ups from either crypto or fiat. If you're already part of the Crypto.com ecosystem, the card feels natural and rewarding, especially for travelers or frequent spenders. The drawbacks: high staking requirements, you'll need to lock up CRO for 6 months to get top-tier benefits, reduced rewards, cashback rates have been cut significantly, once 8%, now much lower. CRO volatility, your cashback value can drop if the token price dips. No credit building. It's a prepaid card, not a credit card. Perk limits. Reimbursements are capped and require ongoing staking. Some fees on ATM withdrawals and foreign currency conversions pass set limits. This isn't a financial safety net, it's a lifestyle card for people who already live in the crypto space. Best for users already invested in Crypto.com and CRO, crypto enthusiasts who want to earn tokens while spending, frequent travelers who value lounge access, anyone comfortable staking and locking up funds, not for people who aren't into crypto, anyone looking to build credit, users who don't want staking requirements or token price swings, those who prefer fixed cashback or points. The Crypto.com Visa card was once a game changer. While its rewards have shrunk, it's still a solid option for crypto natives who like prepaid flexibility and cashback in tokens. For most regular users though, mainstream cashback or credit cards offer better value without staking or crypto risk.